This is what eating lobster really does to your body. Join me guys up until end. Ethel and Allera here. Let's go! Eating lobster can provide several health benefits, but there are also a few considerations to keep in mind. The good health benefits. Here's what happens to your body when you eat lobster. Number one, boosts protein intake. Lobster is rich in high quality lean protein, which helps build and repair muscles, supports metabolism, and keeps you feeling full. Here's what happens to your body when you eat lobster. Number two, supports brain function. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and choline, all of which are essential for brain health, memory, and mood regulation. Here is what happens to your body when you eat lobster. Number three, strengthens bones. Lobster provides calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which help maintain strong bones and teeth. Here's what happens to your body when you eat lobster. Number four, promotes heart health. The omega-3s in lobster may help lower inflammation, reduce triglycerides, and support overall cardiovascular function in moderation. is what happens to your body when you eat lobster. The fifth reason, rich in antioxidants. Lobster contains selenium and zinc, which boost immunity and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The caution, what to watch out for. Let's all find out, guys. Number one, high in cholesterol. Lobster does contain cholesterol about 70 to 100 milligrams per 3-ounce serving, which may be a concern for people with heart disease or high cholesterol levels. Take note, guys. Number two, sodium content. Depending on how it's cooked, especially if it's boiled in salted water or served with salty butter, lobster can be high in sodium, which can raise blood pressure. Take note once again. Precaution number three, what to watch for? Allergic reactions. Shellfish allergies are common and can be severe. If you're allergic, avoid it completely. Once again, watch out, guys. Precaution number four, mercury and toxins. Lobster is generally low in mercury, but like most seafood, it can accumulate environmental contaminants. So, moderate is key. So now you know lobster isn't just delicious. It's packed with protein, vitamins, and brain-boosting benefits. But before you order that next battery lobster roll, let's talk about the not so talked about side effects you need to watch out for. Because not all that glitters in the shell is gold. Eating lobster in moderation, especially steamed or grilled, without too much butter or salt, can be a healthy addition to your diet. It's nutrient dense, rich in protein, and offers a variety of vitamins and minerals that benefit your body. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to be updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.